Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video we are going to be cleaning our brushes. I see so many things about skincare, taking care of our skin and what skincare products to use, but I never hear anyone talk about cleaning these makeup brushes. So I wanted to give you guys a little how-to tutorial on how I clean my makeup brushes. If you are new and just getting into makeup and you only have about 3 or 4 brushes, or you know, if you just want some different products to clean your brushes with, you have stopped by the right place. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, just kind of like showing y'all, you know, my method on cleaning my brushes. So as you guys can see, and you guys saw in the thumbnail, I like to use the Dr. Boner's Pure Castile soap. I honestly use this soap for everything. I use the liquid soap, not the bar soap, as you guys can see. So what I do is I take like a little dime size of the Dr. Boner's Pure liquid soap, and I like to put it on a makeup cleaner glove, like the one that I'm using in here. And from there I like to just swirl the brushes in a circular motion across the grid, just to make sure that it's getting in the, you know, the bristles and getting everything clean. So as you can see, I am just going in circular motions until everything suds up, and then eventually everything will start sudding up white like I need it to. And that's just kind of how I know my brushes are clean. So I swirl until I feel like it's enough, and then I rinse out the soap in the brushes, and once the water runs clear, I know that the brushes are clean. I then like to soak, or like using my hand, I like to soak out the rest of the water, the excess water in the bristles of the brushes, and then I like to just lay them to the side, and then I complete that motion with all 50 million of my brushes until they are clean. Now, I can't express to you guys enough how important it is to clean your brushes. If you do not clean your brushes and you wear makeup every day, even if you're just wearing foundation or just powder and you are just putting it on your face, listen, if you go days, weeks, months without cleaning your brushes, that's really just not good. Because first of all, how are you getting the, you know, the full effect of each new coat of foundation or whatever product that you're using if you still have old product in your brush? That's not going to work. And 2, you know, if you have acne prone skin, or if you just don't want you know, a lot of blackheads and stuff like that on your skin, you really need to keep your makeup brushes clean. It doesn't matter if you only, you know, use them every now and again, every 2 or 3 months or whatever. Just clean brushes is a go, you know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure that y'all are cleaning y'all brushes, in addition to doing y'all skincare routine in the day and in the night. And with the holidays coming up, I know y'all gonna be trying to wear, you know, makeup and all of that, and try out some of these Halloween looks out here. So y'all just make sure that you clean your brushes. You know what I'm saying? Now, because I've been a frequent makeup wearer, I have to clean my brushes once a week. I mean, I don't have to, but I choose to, so that they don't pile up and I be looking crazy looking for brushes when I really need brushes to complete a makeup look. And yeah, I mean, look here, we are halfway there. I just got to clean all my big brushes now. So the big brushes I like to clean individually, just so that I make sure I really get that foundation out. But like I was saying before, you guys, I like to clean my brushes at least once a week, just because I do not like for my brushes to pile up, and I don't have any brushes to use when I need brushes to use. So if I know I'm not going to be doing my makeup for a few weeks, I'm definitely going to try to clean my brushes right away, so that, you know, they're just sitting and, you know, not accumulating more of whatever can possibly get on them because I have kids, and also, you know, just the bacteria buildup in the brushes. So yeah, try to keep your brushes clean, and if you can, try to clean your brushes like once a week. So I don't know if y'all could have seen while I was washing my brushes, but some of my brushes, like the color is like coming off and stuff like that, and it's because I've had these brushes for at least like 5-6 years. I do not change my brushes unless I have to change my brushes. So once I find a brush that I'm totally in love with, I keep it, I use it until it's no more, and I typically just go right to Ulta and grab the Morphe brushes, just because they're convenient, they're soft, they don't give me any problems, and yeah, honestly, yeah, I just like stuff that I can grab right away, and I can also, you know, like feel the hair on the brush a little bit so that I know, okay, this is gonna blend well or this one's not. So yeah, that's probably why I don't have any new brushes or any new brushes from brands, because I like to just, you know, go right into a store and get my brush right away. Another brand of brushes that I like is Real Techniques. So I have a lot of Morphe and Real Technique brushes. But anyways, you guys, here are all of my brushes. They are nice and clean. I actually just let them air dry from here, and if I'm in a rush, I might get like my small fan and, you know, let the fan do its job. And if I'm in a big hurry, then I just grab the brushes that I need and use my blow dryer to blow dry them dry. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to clean your makeup brushes, or on how I clean my makeup brushes. You guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.